Tale of the Lost Kingdom. In a land veiled by mist and mystery, there existed a kingdom known as Ethereal Haven. This kingdom, hidden amidst rolling hills and shimmering lakes, was said to possess secrets that whispered through the ages. Ethereal Haven was guarded by the spirits of the elements, beings of great power and wisdom. Each spirit embodied the essence of an element: earth, air, fire, and water. Together, they maintained the balance and harmony of the kingdom. One fateful day, a dark eclipse shrouded the skies, casting an eerie shadow upon Ethereal Haven. The spirits sensed an ominous presence approaching. Before they could take action, an ancient sorcerer, long banished for his greed for power, emerged from the depths of the forbidden forest. Driven by a thirst for dominion, the sorcerer sought to harness the elemental forces of the kingdom. He aimed to unravel the secrets locked within the Enchanted Altar, a mystical relic said to hold the key to unparalleled might. The spirits of the elements convened, but their powers weakened against the sorcerer's dark magic. As the kingdom's essence started to fade, hope seemed lost. Amidst this despair, a young wanderer named Arya, with a heart pure as the morning dew, heard the whispers of the kingdom's distress. She embarked on a journey guided by a mysterious map bestowed upon her by an ancient sage. Arya's path led her through treacherous landscapes, where she encountered mystical creatures and tested her courage. Along the way, she befriended a mischievous sprite, a wise old sage, and a valiant guardian of the woods. Guided by the whispers of the elements, Arya traversed through trials and tribulations, inching closer to the Enchanted Altar. Her journey was fueled by empathy, bravery, and an unwavering belief in the kingdom's resilience. As she reached the heart of Ethereal Haven, the sorcerer stood poised to seize the Enchanted Altar's power. But Arya, empowered by her pure spirit and the guidance of the elemental whispers, confronted the sorcerer. In a climactic battle between light and darkness, Arya tapped into the ancient wisdom passed down by the kingdom's guardians. With a compassionate heart and unwavering determination, she unlocked the altar's secrets. The altar responded to Arya's purity, unleashing a surge of elemental energy that dispelled the sorcerer's malevolent magic. The spirits regained their strength, and Ethereal Haven bloomed anew, vibrant and resplendent once more.